Hey guys, this is Buddy here, and I'm going to tell you about an upcoming build I have. It's going to be a build with me and my son. It's his first build, my second build, and we're both really excited about it, and this is what's going to be going into it. I'm going to tell you a little bit about each one of these pieces. First off, we have the EVGA GTX 1050 Ti. Quite a capable little card. It can do a lot of stuff. Pretty much, pretty much. It is the bottom of the line of the 10 series, but one thing I had in mind when putting this computer together was upgradability. That's the key word here. So when you see the parts I chose, know that's why. These are all planned on being upgraded. This is a project me and my son, I plan on doing with my son over time, so this is just the beginning. Like I said, GTX 1050 Ti. Pretty capable little card. Core i3. Once again, bottom of the 6 series line, but plenty of room to go from here. Quite a capable little processor itself. It seems that from what I've seen on the tubes there, it goes pretty good with this card. So we'll see how this goes. We'll talk about this in a minute. For the motherboard, I went with this MSI H110M gaming motherboard. He wants a gaming PC, so I got him something that, it's got some features in it for the, for the home gamer here, and something he can learn with. It's got some boost technology, all kinds of stuff, DDR4 boost, all kinds of junk. So, like I said, this is a good card to start with. This has a good upgrade path to it. This will take all the way up to a 7, Core i7. 64, at the very least, 32 megabytes total it can take. Now that brings me to this. I got one stick of DDR4, one stick of 8 gigabytes. Now, you might ask, well, why didn't you go with 2 4 sticks if you were going to go 8 gigabytes? 8 gigabytes is more than enough for modern gaming, blah, 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 blah. Well, the reason I went with one stick of 8 was upgradability. Plan on buying another one, so we'll have a total of 16 and dual channel, yada, yada, yada. I have 8 gigs in this thing right here, and I know I got a lot of junk on there. Just the stupid drivers for my keyboard take like 2% of my memory. It's stupid, I know. So I'm wishing now, after having built this, that I went with 16 gigs instead of 8. I thought 8 would be more than enough, but I'm finding that I wish I had more. I don't want to run into the same situation with this. I want to have plenty. So that's why I went with this. Now the power supply, it's not much to be said about it. It's EVGA 500 watt. Pretty good bang for the buck. I think it's less than, I know it's less than $100. I think it's like $50 or something. So that's it. That's what's going in there. For storage, I got this. It's just a hard drive. Once you've seen one, you've seen them all. Just a Western Digital Blue, 1 terabyte. Nothing special. Like I said, upgradability. And yeah, that's going to be our build. So we'll be putting this together in a few days. Me and him will be filming it and putting it up here on the tubes. And hopefully you guys, whoever sees this, you come back and watch the build, because we're both really excited about it. I've learned a lot about computers over the last, I think it's about 4 months ago since I built this. So I will be making a video about this guy right here and all that junk. Oh, I almost forgot. I got a case. I didn't get it out. It's right here. It's a DIY PC D480 white. Yeah, you'll see it when we build it. I'm not going to get it out. You can look it up if you want. Pretty nice case. Got it on sale for like 50, 60 bucks or something. Good case. It came with 5 fans pre-installed with a fan controller, I like it because it has the 5 fans and the fan controller that it runs off of Molex. It's only got 2 zones and a high, low, and off for each zone. So you got your intake and exhaust. It's something as simple as that. So pretty good case. Like I said, starter case, starter processor, starter memory, starter motherboard, starter graphics card, starter everything. So as always, try to build things up and not tear them down. Something like that. Yeah, that's what we're gonna go with. Build them up, not tear them down. Thanks for watching.